thought I told you that we won't stop. I thought I told you that we won't stop.
Hey, hey, hey.
I thought I
How
told
you
you
doing?
that we won't
Stop.
stop. I thought I told
Star
you
Yoda Creations. I create the best cookies in town. Oatmeal cherry cookies. If you've never tried it, you have to. I put cherries instead of raisins because cherries are higher in antioxidant and they're higher in protein. So if you're looking for something healthy and something that tastes sweet, you've got to try this cookie. I don't use any milk, no white flour, no sugar. All I use is some natural, healthy ingredients such as barley flour, organic oatmeal. I use pure vanilla. I use real cherries and a touch of cinnamon. Oh, it's the bomb. You've got to try it. Don't deny it till you try it. Now tell me, if you sign up on my website, let me know what you think about my cookie. That's right. I need your opinion. I need you to tell me what I'm talking about is real. All you have to do is sign up. Order your cookie. Order a nice size cookie. I give you a nice healthy size. I won't skimp you. I'll give you the right amount to where you can see for yourself that this is the bomb cookie. Just click on the link at the bottom of the page, order, and then send me your feedback. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know if I need to go even further with this because I'm ready. I got the bomb cookie. That's right, the oatmeal cherry cookie. Don't deny it till you try it.